Thank you for being here. We'll be calling you, I'm sure, in the days ahead, so we appreciate you making yourself available. All right, we talked a little bit about that emergency rooms in the area. We are told they are prepared to treat patients with coronavirus, but there's an advisory that you need to know about, and 13 ABC's Melissa Veitch has that story. Mel.
Well, Diane, the advisory is very much in line with what Eric just told us. Don't automatically go to the emergency room because there's a lot of viruses going around right now. We've got influenza and some other upper respiratory viruses. They look very similar to corona. So here's what they recommend you do. The people who are still the greatest risk for corona are people who've traveled out of the country or people who have come into contact with someone who has a confirmed case and directly exposed. Emergency rooms are ready, but if you feel you have symptoms that you need to be concerned about, you need to call your doctor's office or your health care facility first.
Calling first gives whatever facility that you may be going to a chance to prepare or to advise. Some people don't need to come into a facility. It doesn't make sense to overwhelm our healthcare systems with people that are otherwise fairly well and can stay at home with a mild illness. So we'd ask those people to use discretion and stay home unless you feel like you might have a more severe illness.
So again, by severe, we mean people with overwhelming fatigue, so much so you can't get up and you can't move. Other things would be a high fever that won't break, difficulty breathing, that's a big one. Those people need to be seen right away. Reporting live, Melissa Veitch, 13 ABC Action News. Back to you.
Capitol Hill are calling for emergency paid sick days.